Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Chainlink and its token Link. None of the content is financial advice. The chart that you are seeing on the screen is the Link price using time-weighted average price analysis. It's available for free under cryptoweeklies.com website. The main homepage uh, on the website has these charts. Again, one dedicated row for each crypto for its USD charts. Link time-weighted average price analysis helps identify if the price is overvalued or undervalued using the time-weighted average price or the blue line over here as a guidance. Whenever the price is sufficiently close to the blue line or below the blue line in this purple color, that's when the asset is in the deepest value zone, historically speaking. This time-weighted average price-based evaluation would be greatly helpful now that we are almost entering the end of 2025 and 2026, which could be a potential bear market year for crypto. The price could well be lower than the time-weighted average price, like it was from May 2022 till October 2023, which provided a clear-cut accumulation zone for Link in those territory between, roughly speaking, $8 to again as low as about $5. Now the time weighted average price has grown from back then at around $8-9 to now at around $10.6, almost $11. Right now the price of Link is at around $13. It is contending with several support lines, which again this ascending white line, which largely provided support, now has the price has broken down from that level. The key level for Link to hold in this week is that $14.22. If it manages to stay above that level, that could bode well for Link in the future. Again, not financial advice. The 50-week simple moving average and the 21-week exponential moving average is at around $18, whereas the 20-week simple moving average is at around $19.80. So between $18 and $20, those are the two large $2 level where largely all of the three major moving averages exist. Before that, there is this 0.23 fib level drawn from the 2021 high to the 2022-2023 bottom for Link. And the macro peak for Link could well be this ascending green line over here, where the price could go in late December if there is a bullish seasonality at that point at around $42. That's the 0.786 fib level. Right now there are no indications that Link could make a new all-time high for this cycle, as it has spent a lot of time below these prior low levels, although there is this ascending series of higher lows and higher highs. The time frame, especially the one in August, the peak that Link achieved in August was much lower than what it achieved in December 2024. Now the top of the channel is at around $42 per the technical analysis model. Per our own machine learning model, again this is trained on the weekly price of Link, weekly average price of Link since 2017. This model says that, again using seasonal ARMA, 4-year market cycle theory, and standard deviation based confidence level, the one standard deviation peak forecasted for Link in the next 2 to 3 months, especially as towards the end of year 2025, is at around $18 level at a weekly average, adding 10-20% tolerance for the eventual weekly candle body peak that gets the Link's non-Euphoria bull run target at around $20, which is confluent with that 0.382 fib level where it went in March 2024 to ultimately meet that resistance. So that could be again an ascending channel over here, whereas descending channel, another line drawn from this peak to this potential peak in December. So that could also again coincide with that $20 target for Link. That is the non-Euphoria bull run target for the machine learning model. The Euphoria target is at around $25. If you add that 10% tolerance to the upside, that could extend as much as about 0.5 fib level on Link. And the 3 standard deviation blow off top scenario for Link is close to that $30 to $32 level. That's the 0.618 for link at around $34. So that those are the confluence between the machine learning model and the technical analysis based on Fibonacci levels. So again, two different models pointing to that area. The regression based model says that the regression based fair value for link is at around $42. Again, a confluence zone between that 0.786 and the polynomial regression based fair value. This model says that link is right now undervalued as the fair value is at around $45 to $46. If it were to manage to go to that level, that would correspond to a risk level of about, roughly speaking, 0.25. Between 0.25 to 0.3. Historically speaking, again, the links risk in the euphoria phases is somewhere between 0.5 and 0.6. That level is all the way to about $72. That's the stretch goal for link if it were to kind of rally to that max euphoria in the market. Again, that is not the machine learning based outlook for link. It's regression based outlook using this polynomial regression non-linear model of what a fair value of link is at any given point. The price is very close to the bottom regression valuation, so that means right now link is undervalued per this model as well. In terms of link and the 20-week simple moving average price based risk, that has cooled off to 0.2 risk. It still could theoretically per its data in the three distinct euphoria phases for this cycle in November 2023 and again March 2024, again December, January 2025, and also August 2025. It has this tendency to go to between 0.6 and 0.7 risk. If it were to go to that level, price could be between $34 and about $37, coming back to this 0.618 level to 0.786 between $34 and $42. That is again a kind of a stretch goal for link, but with all of this being said, link on its estimated bull run peak, as it relates to all of these regression based and time weighted average and SMA risk going to the highest possible risk level, the base case scenario in all of that ultra bullish case for link is at around $72. As established earlier, that is the only case for a new all-time high. Otherwise, as we discussed earlier, the confluence zone for link in terms of machine learning model is this the $22-23 non-euphoria target, the euphoria level at around $30, and the stretch goal at around 0.618 at around $34. Several other models such as the regression model as well as the 0.786 model risk and the SMA model could stay, and also this technical model says that the price could go as high as about $42. But beyond that, again, that also is the fair value on the regression model. Beyond that, if there is a new all-time high for 2025, it could only per the risk-based stretch goal at around $72. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.